in 6064 on the Disney Wonder. And you can see this is a veranda room. We have a safe, we have storage. This room does have a connecting door. We have our welcome gifts and a split bathroom with a tub, as is standard in most Disney staterooms, which is great for families getting ready. And this room does have a pull down there, so it sleeps 4. And we have a very nice veranda here, looking out at the port of Vancouver, which has a beautiful sail away, incidentally. And that's it.